What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to create an AI logo with Canva. So basically what we have to do is create a Canva account. It's completely free, so definitely try it out. After you have done that and logged into it, you can click on the create a design button on the left top. Once you have done that, you will type in a logo and then this object will appear. We will click on that. And now you have a template for a logo, basically an empty canvas. And what we have to do then is scroll a little bit down in the menu on the left over here, and there you will find apps. You type again in logo, and now a lot of apps are showing up to make logos. The one I prefer is the logo maker, and you have to give them a prompt to generate a logo. What you can do is use DeepSeek AI or ChatGPT, create yourself a prompt, or you can create yourself one. I have created one, and basically what my prompt is: create a simple, relatable logo for our cozy coffee shop, incorporate elements like steaming coffee cup, a friendly vibe, and warm, inviting colors. So yeah, basically that, and then you click on create, and now it's generating a logo for you. Very easy. And as I said, you can use ChatGPT to create yourself one, but for now we use this. And as you can see, there is some text incorporated in this logo, but normally it just gives you an icon. You can generate whatever you want. You can also change the colors. What we can do, the quality is quite bad, but you can upscale the quality of every image in Canva, so that is also easy to do. You can scroll a little bit up and search for image upscale. Once you have clicked on that, then you can try different scales out, and it automatically upscales your image quality. So that's very easy, very useful. Definitely try it out, and let us know what you think about it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!